Imagine if this glass breaks.
This is like a teacher taking a student.
Oh, there's water down here. Ooh, I love this. That is awesome. Ooh, look at the seal. Close up. There's another one.
See, they're dead.
MashaaAllah.
Hello, mate.
Hey, Dazers. Jamila, where are we at?
There's a zoo.
Alright, we're here.
Equals one rip.
What?
Nothing.
Okay, we're just here for like an hour, so let's go. It's Martin Luther King Day, and it's free entry. It's free entry at the zoo. So we're just.
It's part of the baby bag too. Sneaking snack. But the one play like cold because it's gonna be real cold.
Okay, let's go. All right, we're here inside the zoo. All right, let's go for a swim, guys.
And the cold, nah. Yeah. Who wants to go swim at the reason why it's crazy?
All right. Thank you for doing that. All right.
Some of them do that every week. So you'll be able to actually watch a sea lion above your head sleeping. So that's kind of the idea. Our seals also want as well. They'll take naps.
Subscribe to Hamdi'sDaze.
Okay.
Do not
Oh, no. Look at this. This is like the Newport Aquarium that we went to. This is nice. This is even better than the Newport. Ooh, look at that.
They're showing off.
Okay.
I wish I was.
Everyone na bisakin ba? Ooh, this is even better than the Newport. Because the Newport one was indoors. This is outdoors. Imagine if this glass breaks.
This is like a teacher taking a student.
Oh, there's water down here. Ooh, I love this. That is awesome. Ooh, look at the seal. Close up. There's another one.
See, they're dead.
MashaaAllah.
If they're floating, they're dead.
Wow, look at that. A whole family.
So long.
Wow. MashaaAllah.
She's doing this. Auntie, I'm doing this.
Layla, is she really scared or?
She wouldn't walk on it until I have to hold her hand.
Jam Jam. Oh, where's Jam Jam?
She's right over there.
Oh, okay. I thought that was Jamila.
So long.
Oh my God. MashaaAllah, MashaaAllah, Tabarakallah. We are here at Jack Hanna's and Animal Encounters Village. Look at that beautiful fox. It is so beautiful. Puffy?
It's looking at the dog.
It's a red fox. Why isn't it red though?
It's right there. Exactly.
Why is it silver? Do you know that some red fox have color variations in their
It
color?
just ran.
Silver phase of the red fox. And the same thing.
It needs some space. They can. They put a net up there too.
So these are commonly found in Ohio. Hi, friend.
Wow. We should
It's so stinking cute. I love their tail. How fluffy. Look at how fluffy the tail is.
like cats.
Hi, fox.
They're walking like cats. They're literally walking like cats.
He's about to jump.
They're literally walking like cats, people. They're literally walking like cats.
Okay, walking like cats.
Walking like
Yeah, literally walking like cats.
Oh, it looks so cute. It looks like a fox. No, not a
What?
fox. A wolf.
What?
Oh, wow. This is Pier 33. That's a domestic duck. Look at these conchs, yeah?
The duck is blind on one side and
Really?
yeah, look at
Is that a natural thing?
yeah, one white eye and the other one black.
Oh, that's crazy. Let's see. Let me see on this side. Oops. That's interesting.
That's a cute duck. Yeah, my friend has a goose.
Interesting. Oh, I've seen enough of those in my backyard and my garage. Oh, they sicken me.
Lock up your trash cans in
No.
the backyard as well.
Can't clean the poop here. Oh, there should be a sloth in here. There is, look at that. This tree is rich with potential wonder. Oh my goodness. I know, I love how they hang upside down.
Why is it even going down?
My sir, that's how they live. Kingani. Yeah. They're fighting?
No, they're eating.
Oh, these are macaws.
They're eating each other.
They're eating.
Each other.
They're cleaning each other. That's what they do.
Only cats did that.
Oh, so beautiful. MashaaAllah.
Hi.
Hi. Umu says hi. Hi, macaws. All right, we're here to touch some stingrays. 2 weeks ago, I was at Newport Aquarium doing the same thing.
Did it hurt? Did you touch their back?
Yeah, I touched their forehead.
Did it hurt?
No, it didn't hurt. They're slippery. You're still scared, Layla?
They're too close.
Try it. They're not gonna eat you.
Say hi. You can stand back.
Where is the stingrays usually located? Let's go.
Yeah, cut you open. It's used to it.
Wow,
It's right there. Look.
she's missing a leg.
That's really sad.
I know.
It's so sad.
It's incredible how she's able to walk.
You have to speak their language.
Really? Put on your mask. Let's go.
Where? Oh.
There's the tiger. I know. It's huge.
It's big. Is there a baby tiger?
Not sure.
Tell me.
There should be an information board.
And Russian town, we have lots of lions.
You were a
They even have
mess.
dragon snake. I know there's dragon snake. But I eat them. That's my favorite. It's a
She does a mess.
This right here is Megan Trainer. Megan, no, not Megan. Megan Lion. Megan a lion. It's a tiger. So this is the Megan Tiger. Megan Lion. Sponsored by Megan. He's down.
It's a Komodo dragon.
Look at Mrs. Kipling.
Hi, Mrs. Kipling. It is in its head.
It's huge.
Kipling. Mrs.
Vou mandar aqui de lá.
Mary came over
Vem, mãe que come.
to do nothing. And then like the stairs came and sit.
Mrs. Kipling.
Kipling.
Mrs. Kipling.
It looks like an alligator and a lizard at the same time.
It's a giant lizard.
Hey, yo.
It's a giant lizard. Hey!
Hey, yo. Hi, Mrs. Kipling. Mrs. Kipling, why not?
Oh, there's a river here. Oh, there's a boat ride here. I didn't even know they had a boat ride at the zoo.
Really?
Did you know?
No.
I had no idea. Did you guys know they had a boat ride at the zoo?
Really? I know it's cold
I had no idea. Wow, you learn something every day. That's interesting. All right, let's go. My legs are itchy.
That's odd.
From all the walking and the cold, and I think I'm ashy a little bit.
Who does he like better, Rashida or Layla? And he said Rashida. And then I was like, do you like Layla or Kalima better? And he said Kalima. And I was like, do you like Rashida or Kalima better? He said Kalima. And then, of course. Hey, Dazers. We are going with Hadaf to get a COVID test. He is behind me and he's knocked out. So it's going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting. Yeah, make dua. We'll see how it goes. Haji is going to record, right, Hajiya? Okay. We'll see how it goes. We're in. Hi. For the baby. For the baby. Who's mom?
All right. So they're going to ask you for information of their, like, from Columbus Public.
Okay.
You want me to?
Yeah, we don't want you to take any pictures. Hadaf just finished getting his COVID test.
We're all done. That wasn't so bad, Hadaf.
Hadaf, he was sleeping though. Hadaf, say hi.
Hi.
Hadaf, you did great. MashaaAllah. That wasn't too bad.
Except he was like pulling everyone's arm away. But we're not allowed to record.
Yeah, we were not allowed to record in there, so yeah, we couldn't record when he was actually getting it done, but he did great.
Yeah.
He was sleeping. I think that helped that he was sleeping because he didn't see it coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. Hadaf, say alhamdulillah. Hadaf? Say alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
All right, it's Naila's birthday. Let's go, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Naila. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Are you one? Yay! Let her cut the cake. Nafisa. Hi. Say hey, Dazers. Hey, look. Baba will say hey, Daze. Yeah, she's cutting the cake. Say Bismillah. No, Bismillah. Yay! Yay! Can you be patient, please? Thank you. Yay! Where's Hadaf? Hadaf is like trying to get in. Musa do kemishi. But yeah, say Sanushiki. Say hey, Dazers. Say hey, Dazers. Oh, is she?
Go put it on your mommy's face. Come on. Eat it.
This is the only time you get to be messy, but
Come on, Naila. This is your time to be
Yes.
Here.
Be messy.
Here.
Can I want one of that present
Oh, Allah. Hadaf, where are you trying to go? There's no room. Say I know. All right.